Welcome to the Dan's Performance Parts YouTube channel. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos, and feel free to leave a comment below. Dan's Performance Parts is now carrying Empi's new front drum brake kits. The front drum brake kits are packaged with all of the components needed to service your vintage VW air-cooled front brakes. These kits are assembled at Empi's SoCal warehouse with all new high-quality components for optimum stopping power. There are 7 different front drum kits available, depending on your model and year. All of the front drum brake kits will include the following: brake drums, wheel cylinders, brake shoe set, brake hoses, inner and outer wheel bearings, front seals, thrust washers, spindle clamp nuts, dust caps, brake hardware kit, and brake shoe adjusting hardware. Also, be sure to check out Dan's Performance Parts' complete line of VW parts and accessories tailored to Volkswagen air-cooled enthusiasts. Plus, Dan's Performance Parts is a premier supplier of parts and accessories geared toward Manx-style, fiberglass cars, dune buggies, sand rails, Baja bugs, drag or street performance cars, vintage VW, and classic air-cooled vehicles. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of our new product releases and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you real soon.